is a 350. 350 on her hood, and it feels so good. Come sit next to me on them whole couch seats. We'll ride on high, cause it feels so right. Hold me tight, now let's see what she can do. It's my big blue Chevy 72. My big blue Chevy 72. When I drive through, they wanna get into my big blue Chevy 72. Let's burn up some back roads. Drive up.
Morning, everybody. I'm on my way to Lincoln. A little sidetrack off Excelsior Henderson. I'm gonna go look at a private collection of cars this morning that not a lot of people know about, but some people know about, and most people don't know where it's at. First one we're gonna look at here is an REO.
So Kevin will be around
And I have never seen an REO like this. I don't know the year of it. If it was restored, it was done a long time ago. It looks original. This one has a rumble seat, but I don't see any handles or steps. And it's got the travel luggage on the back. I'm pretty sure this is original. Look at this top. It's showing age. Pretty neat car. REO's Mobile, REO. Model A. Oh, this is a rumble seat car. Maybe that's what he was talking about. Pretty neat. This is an older, maybe restoration, not sure. It looks original, but I got a feeling it's restoration. Nickel plating or chrome plating looks really good. This is a 1932 Dusenberg. And it's a replica 1932 Dusenberg. Underneath it is a 1982 Ford truck. And this thing looks authentic all the way around. Other than that shift lever and the steering wheel. And I'm sure I can find other things. This is really quite the remarkable car. I don't even know if they still make these or not. Dusenberg 2. What does that say? I can't read that. Royalton. This is quite the car. It's really impressive, majestic.
Oh, is it? No. Just go.
This one's my favorite. This V12 just gets me every time.
Yeah.
I just love it. 1942. This one's been restored.
Oh, yeah.
What about that Model A?
That's been restored.
Has it? Okay, it's an older restoration.
I mean, Dad bought it.
Exhaust on these all go back in one pipe?
It's not real.
Oh, it's not real? Ah, okay. Was it real on the original?
I was told, yeah, I hope so.
I just love this thing. But I'm a flathead nut, and then it's just happens to be a V12 flathead. So this is 1942. You got to keep in mind, at 1942, the war's on. So there weren't very many of these guys made. All right, so we got a suicide door convertible, 1962. My oldest son, Jake's in love with this thing, and I can't blame him. These are just really cool.
So these all your cars?
And man, the market on these right now are out the roof. Just paying attention to bring a trailer. They've been coming out of the woodwork. It seems like a lot of them. And they're going really high. This thing's really pretty. Maroon stands out.
Oh, sweet.
I mean, pretty detailed, you know, you can see the spokes and everything in the car.
Yeah.
41 Packard.
Oh, you had a couple knees done,
Yeah,
but you're getting along pretty good.
not too bad, not better.
And this one is all original. It has not been restored. This is pure class. And of course, the war was coming on, if not on already in this year. So it's kind of nuts. All original. How many were made? I don't know Packards. Packard 120.
For probably another year. We have stiff and all. This year's pretty much back to normal.
Close.
Yeah.
I can feel stiff.
This is very unique. I don't know if it's. I just don't know. I don't know if it holds a lot of value or not, but these are custom built out of a Mark, Lincoln Mark. Here's your Lincoln. They call them Marqueros. Lincoln. And they're making a Ranchero out of a Mark 5 or 7 Lincoln. And his dad, if I remember right, had a couple of these. This was obviously the latest. These are pretty neat. I can't imagine the money spent to build these.
Well, I've got a cousin, Mark, and he is such a perfectionist, such a perfectionist.
But this one's going on the sale too. Here's another Packard. Pretty darn good look. I just love this, the big grille chrome era.
It's just, yeah, and he's always been
Really sharp.
He builds amazing stuff.
Class car in its day.
There's a home builder, remodeled churches and had his own business.
What was that?
Yeah.
Mark Nielsen lives in Minden. So,
Nick, go ahead and hurry up.
I'll see what I can do. Here's
Oh, another rumble seat car.
That's what happened.
when's your son get his all the time?
Parts of this look original. Looking at this Buick fender, that looks original, but this looks like fresh paint. Oh, we got newer sealed beam headlights on this one. Man, it's still a good looking car. I'd be proud to own it. I'd drive her around, have some fun.
Oh, you did it yourself, huh?
I haven't done that. So I started off with had a paint job started and we got that done.
The dashes are crazy.
So is there, I've seen one of those around there. Where, is there anything you know about around here?
At least 3 more.
Is there?
He has a friend, Jake has a friend, Jake Whitewood has a.
Well, got through it. It's quite a collection. There was one vehicle missing that I really wanted to see. It's a 1936 Ford Roadster, and Scott, the son of the owner of this collection, he's going to keep that one. I wanted to see it, being I have a 36 Ford. So I didn't. He moved it to another building because everything in this building is getting ready for a Meekin sale in, I believe, Houston, Texas. He said in April. Meekin's going to send trucks up here, and they're going to, because these cars are huge. That Dusenberg and that V12 Lincoln, they're just monsters. So he thinks he can get everything on 2 trailerfuls, the Meekin guy. But he may have to make a 3rd trip, but we'll see. And this collection is going to be featured on a Saturday auction, so it's going to be a big deal. These are just truly wonderful drivers. They could be museum pieces, I think, with some little paintwork, not necessarily paintwork, but just some detailing and stuff. But then they'd always be set in a museum. You couldn't drive them or nothing because then all the issues of daily use would start showing back up and everything. Believe it or not, 2 weeks ago, my oldest son was in here. We were supposed to go together, and he just had a kind of an open window to come see it real quick, and he did, and then made me mad by sending me all the pictures of all the cars, including the 36 Ford that I didn't get to see today. But that's all right. It's all works out in the end. And special thanks to Scott Cather's, the son of the owner of this collection of cars, for letting us all in there and bother him and take pictures and talk stories and stuff. It was a lot of fun. Had a lot of fun there this morning. So there we go for this week's episode, or another episode.
350 Honda Hood, and it feels so good. Come see